Hey guys, it's Christmas Eve and I worked really early this morning and then I came home and I fell asleep. So I took a nap for maybe like almost 2 hours, I think. It may not have been quite that long. My brow is messed up. I did sleep in my makeup, like I napped in my makeup, and I never do that. I was just so tired. So I just got a package from X-Lash. I knew that this was going to be coming because they kind of reached out to me and asked me if I was interested in trying some of their stuff. So I got the eyelash serum, which is the treatment that makes your eyelashes look longer, thicker, darker, and then the X-Lash mascara for optimal black mascara with vitamin E. That is the outside packaging there. Life is short, your lashes shouldn't be. This little writing there, and that's what the serum looks like. I'm really excited to try this out. Inner Beauty is great, but a little mascara never hurts. That's right. So that's what the little box looks like for the mascara. So this one is like a conditioning mascara. Could you not? So yeah, I'm having a hard time getting that open, but I think it'd actually be cool to try the mascara as part of like a face full of first impressions, but also use the mascara and the serum for a while and then see what happens to my lashes. So stay tuned for that. They also were kind enough to send me the X Lips, which is EGF Intensive Care Lip Balm. It said it provides deep hydration and increases the synthesis of collagen, elastin, and hyaluronic acid. Sally, I showed you guys my wrapping paper container before. She just jumped on top of it. It's super tall. She is a nut job. I like the color of this packaging. It's like this super soft light pink. Oh, it even shows you, it says the manufacture date and the expiration date. I like that. I could actually use some lip balm right now. I don't know what I did while I was sleeping, but like my lips look swollen or something. I think we all could use some intensive care lip balm right now. Like, this is the time of year when everybody's lips are getting super dry. Oh, and it's actually a lip balm with a wand. That's cool. Ooh, my lips needed some hydration. That's cool because it actually has the feeling of a balm. It doesn't feel glossy. It's not super thick, but it's definitely like emollient. So I'm really excited to continue using these products. I will definitely keep you updated on how I'm liking them. So I thought we would do advent calendars and open those up. This is going to be the last couple of days for a lot of them, so I'm behind because yesterday I literally just worked all day, so I didn't vlog anything. So we have our last 2 days of socks, so I'm going to pull out our last 2 days of sock advent calendar. My goodness. So this one has little mittens on it. These are actually super cute. Little ankle socks with mittens. And our very last pair, very classic Christmas, looks like an Argyle sweater type of deal. Looks like a sweater look to it. Little deer and trees. Really cute. I like that they stayed really traditional with the last couple of pairs. So that's the last of our sock advent calendar. 2 days left in the NYX sugar trip, so that's what the couple of last days look like. 23 is the Licorice Lane eyeshadow, and the shade is called Twisted. Like here. It's almost like a steel color. And then one more Licorice Lane eyeshadow, and the shade is called In Deep Trouble. That's like a rich, deep brown matte. It's actually really nice. It's swatched beautifully. It's such a smooth feel to it. Look at that on the finger. So that is the last of our NYX advent calendar. I'm kind of sad that these are coming to an end. Like, I enjoy doing this so much, but I just have to be like, okay, New Year is coming. This is the Feel Unique Little Beauty Parcel. So you've got our last couple of days there. But 23. This is the Ciate Wonderland Mascara. Ooh, in a full size. I can't remember if I actually ever tried my small one or not, because I had actually a Ciate calendar last year. And I want to say I actually really liked it. It's cute. It's silver with little stars. I don't know if I'm gonna hold on to this or I might actually include it in a giveaway because I have so many mascaras that it's like, it's not even funny, and I really want to try the X-Lash one. Then our very last day. Oh, so this is the Ren Clean Skincare. This is the Ready Steady Glow Daily AHA Tonic. So I wonder if it's like the Pixie one. Well, this is for Radiance. I'm super excited to use this. And I know Ren has been known for some really good skincare, and I haven't tried a lot myself. So I'm excited to try that. We said goodbye to our little beauty parcel. And again, if I didn't like ever point this out, the packaging is so unique and so beautiful. I really love this, and I'll have to hold on to this because it's gorgeous. And then we have Look Fantastic, which is the only one that actually has today 25. We've got 23. Looks like maybe something breakable because it's got the extra little padding in there. This is the Aromatherapy De-Stress Muscle Bath and Shower Oil. Add 2 capfuls to your bath or smooth it over your body before showering. Okay. De-Stress Muscle. That's cool. That's what it looks like. Not bad. It has like a spa, God, is it sage that it smells like? But it's not bad. Like, I'm usually kind of weird about like too much like aromatherapy type stuff, but that actually smells good. The one before the last, this is day 24 and Look Fantastic. What we got? Oh, I can't believe we have just 1 day left. So this is the, I don't know how to pronounce this, and I feel like I should. Erno Laszlo or something like that. Erno Laszlo. I'm so bad because I've seen this brand before. I just haven't tried it myself. So these are Multitask Eye Serum Mask. Looks like there's a couple in here. I'm trying to remember where I've seen this brand, but I think it's definitely Erno Laszlo. And it says it's made in Korea. So, okay, I'm excited to try these. I have several different eye gels that I really need to start trying out because I have noticed getting a little bit of darkness under the eyes, whereas before, like, I wasn't as much. Okay, so I wasn't planning on it, but I think we're gonna go ahead and open day 25 as like my little Christmas Eve gift, because tomorrow we are going to open presents in the morning. I'm gonna go to my parents and we'll have a lot to do already, stockings and presents and all that. So I think I'm gonna open day 25, and also I've been really good not to open stuff, so I feel like I can be bad once. So it looks like we got a good size little compact in there. This is, okay, this is the Illamasqua Beyond Powder Highlighter. They used to be carried in Sephora, but now they're not any longer, so I think that's just why I don't have my hands on very much. Oh my god, this looks gorgeous. Okay, first off, the packaging is very unique, but look at this. So my highlight's kind of worn off, probably from sleep. It's a little more worn off on this side. Okay, so it looks so like glowy in here, but it's a bit more powdery in here, but we're gonna see. Ooh. So it's weird because it's such a fine powder, but it's still got some highlight. Like, you typically find that like if they're too finely milled in a highlighter, sometimes it just doesn't come off very glowy, but this looks pretty. Ooh. Okay, this is beautiful. It's gonna be one of those that kind of builds up, I think, and becomes a little bit more glowy as you go, but the shade is called Deity. So I'm super excited to try this. They always end with like a bang, so I was excited to see what the last one was. So that's it. I ended my advent calendars. Now I'm kind of sad that I did, but you know what, that happens. So that was my little Christmas Eve advent calendar unboxing. I'm sad that it's over. I love Christmas so much that like once all of the presents are done and the food's over and all that, like I get a little sad. So I'm gonna have my after Christmas blues, but for now it's cool. I think I'm going to go wash my face. We are about to eat some dinner. Zach went to actually pick something up because we're being lazy, and we're getting like all our bad food that we really like out of our system. So we're having like the last little treat. That's probably not the smartest way to do it, but like at the same time, screw it. So we're getting Crystal. It's really bad. Like if you don't have Crystal around you, it's kind of like White Castle. So we're getting like some of those little mini burgers and some fries. So yeah, it's definitely not good for you. But we better get it out of our system because we're gonna start the new year fresh. I've been filming for 17 minutes. What am I doing with my life? I will vlog again in the morning. Christmas morning, we've got cat presents to open. Zach and I will exchange some gifts, and then I have a few, actually I have a few to wrap tonight. Just a couple more things for my mom and one more thing for my dad. And then I think I'm done. I think that's it. So yeah, I'm excited. I'm especially excited for Zach to open his Christmas stocking. I think it's gonna be good. I also got some new lights, which hopefully you guys will be able to tell a difference in my videos coming up soon when I start the new year with something other than vlogs. I think the lighting is gonna be a lot better, so I'm excited about that. Okay, so I will talk to you guys tomorrow.
I've been waiting for hours, so many hours, watching every car, hoping one is yours, waiting for hours, waiting for you to come home. I've been waiting for hours, so many hours, watching every star, wondering where you are, waiting for hours, waiting for you to come home. This time last year, we were dancing. This time last year, we were laughing. This time last year, we were so happy. But this Christmas, am I gonna be all alone? Oh, oh. This time last year, we were dancing. This time last year, we were laughing. This time last year, we were so happy. But this Christmas, am I gonna be all alone? This Christmas, baby, please. 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 This Christmas,
Guys, so it is now Christmas night. What you saw earlier was we were opening presents. We did go to my parents and I didn't wind up vlogging anything. My camera was dead and I actually charged it and forgot about it. So right now I'm in my vanity room and I'm using a couple of my new lights just to kind of test them out. I have like a 3-point light system in addition to my ring light. And I only have 2 on me right now. The other is kind of going to come from above. And then I still have my ring light as well. So hopefully this will make a big difference in my videos. Hopefully, fingers crossed. I hope everybody had a wonderful day. And of course, a Merry Christmas if you do celebrate. Yeah, I hope everybody is just having a really great day. I still need to do my giveaway. So be on the lookout for that. It'll be really soon. I think within the next couple of days, I'll start to like wrap up actual Vlogmas and maybe go back to my regular weekly vlog. Let me know what you think. Like, is once a week fine? Would you like to have more than one vlog a week? Probably 2 would probably be the max that I would do honestly right now, because I work so much. If that would be something to be interested in, let me know and I'll definitely think about that. Also, I had a comment from someone saying that I need to turn the filters off on my videos. I don't have any filters on my videos. Of course, lighting is a big like effect of colors and things like that, and your camera settings and things like that, but I do not like filter my videos. That, to me, that wouldn't make any sense, and it was on like an older video, but I've never filtered them honestly. But I am hopeful that better lighting will lead to better quality videos. So yeah, this is 2 of the 4 lights that I'll be using, so there's just a little taste. I just want to see what it looks like, and I am going to wrap up this vlog. I think I am going to have a bottle of wine tonight, or have a couple of glasses and take a bath. I still have my Santa bath bomb that I think I'll use tonight. This is the top. It's actually like a 2-piece. It smells so amazing. It smells like a little bit of like cinnamony or apple or something. So I think I'm going to use this tonight and have a glass of wine. And I have a lot of really fun things planned for the new year. I have a lot of ideas and like inspiration. I'm thinking about doing a lot of different things, but if you have any suggestions for the new year, please let me know. Definitely be on the lookout for new stuff. Let me know what you'd like to see. And as always, I appreciate you guys watching so much. It has meant the world to me. You guys definitely make every day better, but especially this like Christmas season and the whole month, which can be a little difficult for me, to be honest. You guys definitely make it so much better. So thank you so much. Again, I hope you had a wonderful Christmas, and I will see you guys in my next video.